Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic for this episode is role of language for success at interviews. If anybody is giving any lecture on any subject, ask him how many books he wrote on the subject. I have written this book. Success at Interviews. In this book, I have given all the clues how to be successful at interview. Okay? Any person giving a lecture on interviews, either on YouTube or in classroom, ask him, show your book you have written on interviews. Okay, right? Success at Interviews. This book I have written. Next, if anybody is teaching soft skills either in classroom or on YouTube, ask them, have you written any book on soft skills? You are teaching soft skills. This is the book. This is the book on soft skills I have written. Okay, so if anyone is asking you, telling you anything, you ask him, have you written any book on that? Okay? If anybody teaching you communication skills on YouTube or in classroom, ask him, show what book you wrote on communication skills. This book I wrote on communication skills. If anybody teaching you English for employability or spoken English or English for competitive examinations, ask him what book you wrote. Either he teaching on YouTube or in classroom. What book you wrote on this subject? I have written this book, English for employability. English for employability. If anyone is teaching spoken English on YouTube or in classroom, ask him what book you wrote on spoken English. This is the book I wrote on spoken English. Spoken English for everyone. Spoken English for everyone. Spoken English book I wrote. If anyone is teaching on YouTube or in classroom on spoken English, Ask him what book he wrote. This book on spoken English I wrote. If anyone teaching you general knowledge, ask him what book he wrote on general knowledge. This book I wrote on general knowledge. General knowledge today. If anyone teaching you, guiding you on career guidance or career counseling, ask him what book you wrote on career guidance. This book I wrote on career guidance. If anyone teaching you cinema script, either on YouTube or in classroom, ask him what book you wrote on script writing. This book I wrote on cinema script. Apart from these books, I have written other 30 books on different subjects. 30 years of my prime life I spent on writing books. That is why I am competent to give lectures on YouTube. I have put my classroom in YouTube. Now we see role of language for success at interviews. This is the topic for today. Giving you one small joke type thing, joke only. A girl comes late to class. Teacher asked, "Why are you late?" The girl replied, "One boy was following me." Teacher asked, "So what?" The girl replied, "The boy was walking very slowly." Okay, coming to the topic. English language is required for international career. Indian career or international career, English required. Language teachers are forced to take the new roles as soft skills trainers. Because soft skills new subject, no? The language teachers are forced to take up the roles of soft skills trainers. Everyone aspires a career in MNCs and hence led to cutthroat competition. Everyone wants a job in MNC, multinational company. That is why it is led to cutthroat competition. Consistently good academic record, soft skills, good command over English language are becoming equally essential for success. Today, for success, consistently good academic record mean your hard skills, soft skills and good command over English language. These are the things required in today's job market. Students are getting through HR round, human resource round, technical round, GED, group discussion and failing at the personal interview level. Why? Interviews are conducted in English, the universal language. Body language. A saying goes like this: your words tell me story, but your body tells me whole story. That is the power of body language. Body language helps a lot in gaining impression of the interviewer through confidence, which is mostly expressed through non-verbal communication. The experts of kinesics is body language, body movements. Experts of kinesics who have expertise in asserting the mental state of the aspirant silently are forming part of the interview board. Today in the interview boards, experts in kinesics are being made to sit to observe the candidate's ability is body language. Interviewee should learn accepted ways of public behavior. What is the accepted way of public behavior? That public behavior interviewee should have. Goal of interviewer is to check whether the candidate is suitable for a particular post or not, while the interviewer tries to prove his ability to get selected for the job. Between interviewer and interviewee, this tussle goes. Language is main medium of interaction for both for interviewer and interviewee. What is the main medium? Language only, English language. Potential employer wants to know the candidate's ability, his capability to work in team, his social behavior, etc. Learn poise, posture, gesture, way of sitting, understanding in interview room. Communication is 7%, 38% tone, 55% body language. PG courses to include soft skills, survival skills, interview skills in the syllabi. Language teachers have to conduct mock interviews for the candidates. Mock interviews improve confidence levels in students. Language teachers are soft skills trainers, already discussed. If not language teachers, who will do soft skills? Soft skills are to be taught by language teachers only. Language teachers are the right persons who can deal with emotions, as emotions are expressed through language. Intelligence quotients are being substituted by emotional quotients. Earlier importance was given to IQ, today to EQ. Intelligent quotient is substituted by emotional quotient. Today, priority to EQ students, EQ candidates, not to IQ candidates. EQ, IQ, I already explained in earlier lectures. Companies are looking for students with good EQ rather than IQ. Soft skills have become part and parcel of language teaching, as emotions are better dealt by language teachers. Language teachers deal soft skills like communication skills, time management skills, interview skills, team building skills, persuasive skills, decision making skills, and personality development. These are the things, these are the subjects to be taught by language teachers today, apart from their subject. Soft skills are governed by our emotions. Soft skills are main thing I told you. Soft skills are governed by our emotions only. Sometimes violently, sometimes very slowly, sometimes going berserkly. Going berserk is not good. Maintain always emotional balance, that is emotional intelligence. IQ, intelligent quotient, already is there, but today not IQ, EQ is important, emotional quotient is important. You need to balance yourself. Soft skills fulfill dreams of students, their teachers and their parents. Language teachers to keep in touch with the latest trends in recruitment process. Resources for teachers are internet, latest books, conferences and workshops. Language teachers can fulfill and justify the role as a soft skills trainers. Already told you, language teachers only will take up the role of soft skills trainers. One message. Nothing is permanent in this world, not even our troubles. I like walking in the rain because nobody can see my tears. Never become sad. The most wasted day is the day which you have not laughed. It is told by Charlie Chaplin. That is why every day you need to laugh. Sometimes Vanita, she doesn't speak. Should not be like that. Just laugh. Not only she. All people in the world, every day they have to laugh. A day spent without laugh means you lost one day in your life. Laughing required. Okay? Before closing this lecture, I give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.